Hey guys, I hope all is well. My name is Akaya Kelly. I am a content creator. In this video, I'll be showing you some new glasses that I got. They are called the actually, let me say it right, the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. This is me recording in the house. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you different recordings of different times with me doing hair, me going outside, me going to the grocery store, the different ways that these glasses do video. That's what we'll be covering today. It can do so many different things. Like I said, today we'll be talking about video shooting. One thing I could truly say, guys, you have to get used to being able to record with these glasses because the camera is on the left side, and sometimes you don't look to the left. It'd be neat if it was like straight in the middle. I think it'll be neat. It might not even be neat, but it sounds pretty cool. And then you can be able to have landscape mode and portrait mode. The way that these glasses record, they're going to be recording in picture mode. Now, the good thing about that is, guys, you can always get a editing system, like a editing video, to be able to, mess with the
Hey,
speed,
Manna.
make it more closer, and different things like that. I did wish it would do it in landscape mode, especially like when we doing YouTube videos. But these are great for shorts. In this video, y'all, I am actually at the grocery store. One thing I can truly say, guys, the quality is good, but it had you all over the place. Like, you got to make sure that you're really focusing. Okay, guys, consider it like a camera. Basically it is. If you got a camera and you just got that camera all over the place, to the left, to the right, because that's what you're going to be looking at. It's going to be all over the place. Y'all see how it's all over the place? Even in the beginning of the clips, you seen when I was at my salon doing hair, how it was just all over the place. That's one thing, guys, you have to control. You have to get used to being able to have it at the right angle. Because when I went back, y'all, and watched the recordings, I had such motion sickness. So if you have motion sickness, you most definitely want to learn how to do the angles. Just try to keep your head as straight as you can. Or I have found, like I said, when I go into editing services, I kind of play with the speed a little bit. I think it was like 1.3 that I played with, but just play with your speed and see how that go for you. But that's one downfall I could truly say I don't like. It's just like all over the place. Like, look at it. Look, but it records so good. You see how good that is? It records so good. And the thing I like about it, y'all, is that I don't have to have my camera in my hand. Like, you can be able to do everything just looking at it. Like, look at it. See, I got it in my hands. It's hands free. But like I said, guys, it would be all over the place if you don't learn how to angle it and try to go slow instead of just look at some and then look at something else. Just kind of keep that in mind. Other than that, guys, the picturing is good too, but we'll talk about that in another video. So I'm just kind of showing y'all, me getting the strawberries, how it look inside of the grocery store. When I say the volume is perfect. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you listen, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay. Now we are actually at the um park. Okay. So just sit back, relax. And like I said, you could be able to find different clips if you want to just watch at the park so you can see how I look outside. You want to see how I look in the inside at my house, or if you want to see how I look at the grocery store. I got different clips for different things. So you just see which one works for you. Okay. Stop recording.
At the Silver Comet Creek Trail. Look at this. Y'all see how pretty that is? I love it, y'all. I love nature. You see that? Look how gorgeous that is. It's gorgeous. And it feels peaceful. Really, really peaceful. Always come out and get you some nature, y'all. Always. You see Rain enjoying herself. She being a good girl. Okay, guys. Everybody take care. Be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye, guys. Something wrong with it. Huh? Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Again, C, a vehicle. Yes, it was foreign. Romanian, I think. Sorry. Can I please call you back?
Before you tried to kill his mother. Besides, it's only a matter of planning. You're good at it, as it turns out. You need an alibi. I had one that night. The night that Mike fell off the ledge.
She gonna tell. See, that's how he can get her.
Cheating. I could feel it. There he was, right by the edge. He didn't look scared. He just looked surprised. But you're sort of guessing again, aren't you?
Am I? Remember, Leonora's teacher had heard her all evening, but she hadn't actually seen her. Sound as an alibi.
Voila.
You have our king suite. It's our finest room.
This is gorgeous.
Yes. Well, that's all.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hopefully that helped you to be able to determine if you are going to be able to get these Meta glasses. If you do, comment below and let us know below. Be blessed, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.